In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a poll in Slack, full 2026 guide. Polls are a fast way to gather feedback, make decisions, and keep conversations moving without long threads. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you feel confident creating a clear, click-ready poll in any workspace. First, open Slack and head to the place where you want to collect responses. That could be a direct message with a few teammates or a channel where a broader group participates. Pick the space where the decision needs to be made. If you want maximum visibility, choose a channel that everyone involved can see. If the topic is sensitive or early stage, a smaller group chat is often better. Next, click in the message field and type the command /poll. As you begin typing, Slack will usually suggest a poll option if your workspace has a polling app enabled. Select that suggestion to move forward. If you don't see a poll option appear, your workspace may not have a polling app available, or you might not have permission to use it. That's okay. Just continue where you do have access and follow your team's guidelines. When the poll interface appears, click Create Poll. This opens a simple builder designed to keep everything in one place. You'll add your question, your answer options, and any settings you prefer, all from a single menu. Now follow the prompts to set up the poll to your liking. Write a concise question that's easy to understand at a glance. Add the answer choices people can pick from, keeping them short and mutually exclusive wherever possible. Most poll tools let you choose whether voters can select one option or multiple, whether voting is anonymous, and whether the poll should close at a specific time. If there's an option to let others suggest answers, decide if that fits your use case. Clarity is key here. Good wording leads to better results. Before you publish, click Preview. This shows you exactly how your poll will look in the conversation. Check the question for typos, confirm the options are in the right order, and make sure the settings, such as anonymity and multiple selections, are correct. Also verify you're posting to the right DM or channel, which is usually indicated at the top of the preview. If everything looks good, confirm from the preview to post the poll. Teammates can vote with a single click, and results will update in real time. Consider adding context in a follow-up message, like when you plan to review the results, so everyone knows what happens next. That's it. You've added a poll in Slack. Thanks for watching, and happy polling.